have proper equipment, snow chains, or four-wheel drive. Well, there's not much sun, as you can see, and they are calling for wind and no rain. Well, if it rained, it would snow, because it's going to get below freezing tonight. Just wanted to test my cold weather gear. Find myself below the snow line on occasion and just feel the need to climb into the mountains. This is a Rocky Mountain Pass. I've gone through at least 3 passes today. This is a Continental Divide Pass. Gotta watch for places like this because gonna get black ice. We're low 40s now. There he is. Hopo. Good morning from central Colorado. As you can see around me, there's a little bit of snow. I've had the pleasure of taking Sarah, my 2004 Nissan xTerra, in many different conditions, but this is the first time that I've had the opportunity to experience the snow. Now, it's 24 degrees right now, and I have experienced as low as, I believe, around 17 or 18 in the last 2 years, where there was ice on the outside of the vehicle, but not snow. And it started snowing last night around 7 p.m. and stopped snowing this morning around 4 or 5. And I had my canvas up, so I got a little spot there underneath to get out my door. Obviously, you can see the vehicle is completely covered. Weathered the storm very well, and comfortable and happy to be here. About time to cook a little breakfast, and got my solar panel turned so that it's gonna get a little bit of sun eventually, but it's gonna take a little while to melt. I don't have a scraper, so I have to hold off on that. But the sun is coming up, it is bright, and the sky is clear. I don't think I could have asked for a better day. Seriously, this is absolutely beautiful. The 6 lone holdouts from the snow that we got last night, based on their position according to the sun. Resilience.
Ain't got no cigarettes.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? Can y'all dig it?
Unfortunately, whenever you use these in unlevel ground, like, well, especially hard rock versus soft dirt, these guys twist and turn in a way when you put them under the weight of the vehicle that damage them irreparably. So you end up buying a new set. Hopefully I can manage putting that one on top, but as you can see, it definitely folded under and is now distorting.